It's Bruno Mars coming through with Just the Way You Are. It's two classic songs, man. And right before that, we played you Rise to the Ocean. Welcome to Josie FM 105.8. It's more than just radio. My name is Upeni Magantulu Sompi Sumpemba. I'm giving a big thanks and a big shout out to Lungile Masongo and Pelele Mkunu Pagate for giving us today's edition of the Big Breakfast Show. The time now is 9:15 in the morning. I think we're in the ninth hour of the day. Hope you're good and ready to go. Welcome to the mid-morning chat show on Mzansi's coolest radio station, and that is Josie FM 105.8. So namhlanje, it's the 2nd of April, and the 2nd of April happens to be the 92nd day of the year. If you remember very well, yesterday was the 1st of April. It was April's fault, and there was big announcements on social media. Would say, hey man, somebody's coming to Josie FM. And a lot of people think we were joking, or rather they thought we were joking. But here we are today, about to grace these studios. You do know there are 273 days remaining until the end of the year. Super excited for that. Now, if there's anyone celebrating his or her birthday, you can send us a birthday message or AMA dedications via our SMS line, and we will make sure that we read them live on air. It's 105.8. You can also find us on DSTV on channel 878. You can also tune in via audio streaming on www.josiefm.co.za. But let's go pay some bills, and when we come back, I'll be telling you on what to expect on the show this morning.